Hello guys, you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video we are going to talk about ishowspeed react to Roblox after receiving its ban. So ishowspeed has been banned for 5,000 weeks on Roblox, which is almost 1,000 plus days, bro. It's not that easy. So today we're going to talk about that. ishowspeed has been, as you can see on the screen, he has been banned on Roblox for 5,000 weeks. It's not that easy. So Charlie, we're gonna watch this video, but before we watch this video, please go and search ishowspeed and follow him. He has 22.3 million subscribers, and I really love the guy. So I want you to also follow him. He's laughing. I love him, and I can't stop watching his video always. So this is ishowspeed. He's a YouTuber and always play games on his YouTube channel. He also entertain his his followers, the subscribers. He always love them, and I love him too, bro. So go and subscribe to his channel, and also subscribe to my channel. If you can't search his name, just check my title description, my title below the video. Just tap on @ishowspeed and you are going to link up with him. Thanks very much for following him. I know you're going to follow him, so thank you very much. So without wasting much time, let's start. So let's watch the video. ishowspeed has been banned. Oh my god. So let's watch the video. Oh, you're not gonna watch? Please tap on the subscribe button, like the video, share the video with your friends, and let's watch it.
Get off my... Bro, what the f... What is going on? Why she keep going after... Sophie, nah, bro. Hold on, hell no. Let me turn on my hacks, on God. On God, let me turn on my hacks. Bro, Sophia! Move! Trying to use my hacks and shit, bro. Oh my God. Why is my hacks not working? Teleport up. This is so stupid, dog. Damn, man. Damn.